What is your name?
My name is Moises.
And where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
And how many weeks are you in Killarney?
We spent 3 weeks.
Okay, firstly, can you tell me about your English course and your English teacher?
English course, it was very interesting and sometimes exciting because I had a very good teacher.
Okay.
Her name was Kate.
Okay.
And it was very useful and practical.
And who are you with here in Killarney? Who's with you?
All of my family.
Okay.
I'm here, I've been staying here with my family, with my 2 children and my wife.
Okay, and how are the teachers or the courses for your family?
The teacher of my children, they have been lovely. They have been very. They have made very comfortable the staying of my children here.
Okay, excellent. Now, you did some afternoon activities. How were these?
We did a lot of activities in the afternoon, such as the cookery. It was very, very useful. It was made by a chef who had worked in Queen Elizabeth II trip and for the Hotel Rich. It was incredible. And what about more? The Muckross house near the lake, the Musur Lake. It was the national park. And we went to Tralee as well. We went to the peninsula of Dingle and the King of Kerry.
Okay, the Ring of Kerry.
The Ring of Kerry.
The Ring of Kerry. Now, tell me about your accommodation. You stayed in an apartment at Rookery Mews. How was this?
Yes, we have stayed at the apartment of Rookery Mews. It was lovely because it was surrounded by green grass, and that was great for my children. They enjoy a lot staying there.
Okay, and finally, what do you think about Killarney?
Killarney, I think, is the best place. It's serious, it's not a joke. It's the very best place to stay here for family. It's ideal for staying with your family.
Okay.